Your brain could violently misfire tonight, making you hear a bomb explode or a gun fire right inside your head as you fall asleep. Exploding head syndrome affects 10–15% of people, causing loud noises like bombs or gunshots as you fall asleep. It's caused by a delay in the brain's reticular formation, where auditory neurons fire before sleep paralysis kicks in. You are not dreaming. Your brain just fired its own internal sound cannon while you are awake. Close your eyes tonight. Your brain might just detonate a sound bomb. Smash that like button, subscribe, and never miss what the fact moments.